Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Govee lights to Apple Home. First, let's talk about Matter-compatible devices. Some newer Govee models, like the Govee M1 light strip or the Govee Lamp 2, support Matter. Start by opening the Govee Home app on your iPhone. Go to the device settings inside the app. Look for the Matter option. If your device supports it, you will see an option to enable Matter. Tap it. The app will then generate a Matter QR code or an 11-digit pairing code. Keep the screen open. Now open the Apple Home app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Add Accessory. Scan the QR code shown in the Govee app. If needed, you can also enter the numeric code manually. Follow the steps on the screen to assign the light to a room and give it a name. To use remote control and automations, you must have a home hub like a HomePod Mini, HomePod, or Apple TV set up in your home. Now, if your Govee lights do not support Matter, you cannot add them directly to Apple Home. But you can still control them using Siri. Open the Govee Home app and go to the Tap to Run or Smart section. Create a new command, such as turning the light red or activating movie mode. Save the command. Then, tap Add to Siri. Record a custom phrase like Activate Movie Mode. Now you can control your Govee lights with your voice. Thanks for watching.